Hey Forex traders, Israel coming here from Vintageducation.com, and in this video I want to show you how to make up to $1,200 a day or more trading the Forex markets from home, or even if you've got a job, it doesn't really matter. Okay, now it's interesting because in this video as well I want to talk about one thing that BabyPips.com, another website like it, will probably never tell you, and the one reason why websites like that will never be able to make you these kind of returns. Now what you can see here, as you can see, is a screenshot from one of my new students in his first couple of weeks, just posting another winning really profitable trade. Now it's really interesting because I'm going to break this down for you, but at the same time I'm going to talk about BabyPips.com and other websites like it. Now, full disclosure, I've got huge respect for BabyPips.com and what they've done, what they do. I still to this day recommend even people that come into my subscriber base and community, etc., to at least spend some time in BabyPips.com's website, etc. Okay, because they're good at what I've said for years. They're good at helping new Forex traders understand some fundamentals about the Forex markets. Excuse me. But the one thing BabyPips is, I guess, not created for is showing Forex traders how to make a profit. Okay, now you might be thinking, what's that got to do with anything? But just bear in mind and you understand why. Okay, it makes sense why BabyPips is such a good place for beginners. Okay, because they spend time in their Pip school, university, etc., their Pip education, as they call it, the School of Pipsology. The reason being is because they want new Forex traders to come in. Okay, now the reason you probably won't see any sort of advanced trading strategies on BabyPips.com in their education platform is because it would have no benefit to them really to do that. Okay, they want to be as unbiased as possible. The reason why is because they don't make money by selling courses or anything like that. They make money by advertising. Okay, so when you make money by advertising, what does that mean? That means you want people to be on your website for as long as possible. So you do that by, one, having a good topic, which is obviously new Forex traders. The second way you do that is by providing good quality materials for new Forex traders. So I always recommend new Forex traders at least go to babypips.com and obviously go through their school, because it's really good fundamentals, basic stuff, okay, foundational stuff in Forex. But if you're on babypips.com thinking that you're going to learn how to make profits, especially profits like what you can kind of see here, then you are sadly mistaken. Okay, and to their credit, BabyPips, in my opinion, doesn't even kind of promote themselves as that kind of platform to show you how to do that. Okay, yes, they'll talk about going into the forum, and it's key if you think about the kind of theme I've talked about here. Why would they want you to go into a forum? Yes, you can have that sort of community family feel, but at the same time, you stay in their website, you stay in and around their website properties, which is going to continue to get them paid on advertising. Now, you might think I'm saying this to talk down on BabyPips. I'm not. Okay, I'm just doing this from the standpoint of you, a Forex trader, and what's best for you. You're not necessarily going to make money from foundational stuff. You're going to make money from learning how to make a profit. Okay. Now, in BabyPips forum, in other forums, in pretty much everyone's forum, you're going to have crazy Forex traders that are untethered, think that they're famous because they've been in the forum for the longest, and they think they know exactly what it takes to make money. But most of them, if not all of them, are losing money and have never been successful at all. If you actually even spend any amount of time in any Forex forum, okay, you'll see a lot of them, they pop up quite quickly. They're quick to talk, but they're the most skeptical people in the industry that will just talk about how Forex doesn't even work, XYZ, yada yada yada. Okay, now I'm saying all that to say BabyPips is a foundational platform. The kind of things I talk about do cover foundational stuff, but it's geared towards what you actually want in the Forex industry, which is, drum roll, profits. Okay, now I use that to segue into what you can see here and what you've been able to probably see and read for the last couple of minutes, which is one of my students, a new student in these first couple of weeks, named Russ. And look at what he has to say. Okay, he says, "Hi all, talking to our private Forex community. I saw this opportunity yesterday on the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar short. Now his initial target was 20 to 1. Okay, that's not a typo. his initial target was 20 to 1. Okay, and it's interesting that he put that funny emoji face, that kind of shocked, embarrassed emoji. Okay, because I do show you how to make big returns, but I wouldn't, especially for a beginner, advise you go for that kind of a big of a target. And hopefully, not hopefully, gladly and gratefully, he actually, I guess, realized what he was doing and kind of changed it up quite quickly. And look what he says, which I soon realized price was stalling, and there was no need to be greedy. So he realized, you know what, although 20 to 1 was on the table, okay, that is quite a bit greedy. He doesn't need to go that far. And look what he says. So I just took my profit at 6 to 1, and I'm happy with that. Now, wouldn't you be happy with taking one trade and making a 6 to 1 return on investment? So the way I teach, I talk about risking 2% or less. So you're literally effectively red line 2%. This green line, which closed out in this particular area here, was 12% profit. So wouldn't you like to make up to $1,200 or a day or more trading the Forex markets exactly the way I talk about? If you want foundation, if you want famous forum gurus, okay, then this isn't for you. But if you actually want to learn how to make profits, okay, this is a new student of mine from just a couple of weeks, Russ, okay. These are the kind of returns he's getting already from following exactly what I teach. This is a 12% profit in one trade over in a few hours maximum. It's that simple. So if you want to learn how to trade this way, then literally click the link below this video. There's a link you can click, which is going to take you directly to invest in my Forex education. Okay, now my Forex education is a few $1,000s, and the price is always increasing. Why? Because we're continuing to fine-tune this even to make it even better. So you can see how quickly new students are coming in and making these kind of returns. Okay, we should be closer to $25,000 with this kind of material, with this kind of opportunity, because he's going to be able to do this for the rest of his life. He's going to be able to do this from anywhere in the world. And basically, I taught him how to fish. He can go and fish anywhere he wants now in the world with an internet connection and make these kind of returns quite easily. So if you want to get in right now while the price is lower, okay, while it's just a few $1,000s and not $25,000, then click the link below this video right now. Make your investment today and look at the kind of potential you can have in the first few days and few weeks just by following what I teach in my Forex course. All the best of your Forex trading, and hopefully if you're a serious, dedicated student and not just someone that wants to gamble, then I'll see you in my private Forex community sometime soon, and I'll hopefully be able to help you make some really good returns trading the Forex markets, like you can see from Russ and some of my other Forex students, as you see in all of the videos time and time again. Thanks and take care. Click the link below this video to get instant access to the course.